We out here grinding. Fire calming down with the chips. We got them cheddar Eckrich sausages and those boneless beef ribeye steaks, seasoned up tough. Yeah, it's getting spooky. Oh, it's finna be good. I'm talking about real good. Stay tuned. That's all I can tell you, man. Like, this easy work, man. This is nothing to me. It's not that. It's not that to me. The sides will be loaded baked potatoes, mashed potatoes, and sweet corn out the can. You know I'm gonna add my little zing to both of those things, make that real nice. Yeah, it's about to calm down. I'm about to slap that meat on there though. Like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned, y'all.